Today we are going to learn simple calculator once again through using switch case statements instead of if else statements, whatever we have done in our last program. Today we are going to learn switch case statements to perform the simple calculator operation, students. Okay, so how it will work, let's see in a BlueJ program. First, double click over BlueJ icon, this BlueJ icon to open the window. Look at here, it will take a little time to open the window, students. Now it's opening, it's opened already. Click on new class option. I have given the class name here CALC2 calc 2 because already I have taken the CALC calc name. You will not take similar class name if you have already taken. So calc 2 I have taken. Okay, double click over here to open the window. Click maximize button to maximize the window, students. Look at here. Press Ctrl plus A, select all, and press delete button from the keyboard to delete whole contents. Look at here, once again all are similar. Import space java dot util dot star semicolon class calc2 second bracket open public static void main string args hard bracket open close first bracket close second bracket open and write scanner sc equal to new scanner within first bracket system dot in first bracket close semicolon. Then I am going to design the menu same as it is. System dot out dot print okay, or I am having some copying option from the clipboard. If it is possible, then definitely I will take. No, it will not come. System dot out dot println. I am designing the menu here same as it is. I am writing the here menu instead of operation, as you like, as per your choice, students. You will prepare or you will design the menu whatever the design you will like to implement in your program, students. According to your choice ability you will prepare. No issue, not issues that whatever I have done or I am doing not according to me, you need to be prepared. Okay, same. System dot out dot println same thing, right? Press plus for addition. I can copy this thing, Ctrl C for copy. Next line Ctrl V, press minus for subtraction. Next line press multiply for multiplication. Next press divide for division. Once again press capital E to exit from the program. To exit. Same, students, here I am taking one character variable char op equal to sc dot next first bracket open close dot char at within first bracket write 0 first bracket close semicolon. Your user chosen option will be stored in the character type of variable op and condition is next first bracket open close dot char at. Okay, now I will take two variable for two numbers, whatever the numbers will input for the operation. So double is the data type n1 comma n2. If you want to take the same line to declare the res variable, to take it res equal to 0.0 semicolon. In a single line you will declare the variable. Now I am going to use switch instead of if. Switch case statements, first you need to implement the switch. All are in the small letters. Switch within first bracket write op only, first bracket close second bracket open. Now you need to write case. All are characters, so characters need to be write within the single inverted comma. As you all know, within single inverted comma I write plus colon. If it is plus, same as it is system dot out dot println Now here I write enter first number. I write here first number n1 equal to sc dot next double sc dot first bracket open close semicolon. Now I can copy this to Control C, come to the next line, Control V. Here I will write second SCC second instead of first. Now here I will write n2. Now res variable name is res result equal to n1 plus n2 semicolon. Now system dot out dot println within first bracket within double inverted comma I will write here result result equal to within a plus symbol. For this plus is not operator, once again I am going to say students this is accumulator, it will append your text plus res. I am right here, I am writing res. Okay, now come to the next line, break semicolon, done. Now I can copy this whole, Control C, here I am right, Control V. If it is subtract symbol, only this operator will be changed into subtract operator. All things will be remain same students. Up to this all things will be remain same. Only this operator I have changed. And here instead of plus I have written subtract. And here operation will be subtraction. So once again I can copy this whole, Control C, Control V. If it is a multiply, your operation will be multiplication. All things will be remain same. Now once again I will write here divide symbol as character. Our operation will be division. Now here students, case within first bracket capital E single inverted comma, you have to write within single inverted comma students. Now colon, here I will print a message student. I will print a message system dot out dot println. I can show only thank you. Okay, now we need to write students system dot exit within first bracket 0 first bracket close semicolon. Suppose the user will not choose this any one of these 5 operators, means user will not choose any one operator from these 5 operators. Suppose user will choose any wrong operator or wrong key, then we are having one more key or one more function known as the default. Okay, so it will print a message that you have chosen the wrong key or wrong input, whatever as you like. Now I have written, or I am going to write default default colon system dot out dot println. Here I am going to print a message wrong key pressed. Now we need to close the switch. Now main close, now class close. Our program finished. Our program is finished students. Now let's see students how it will work. Click on compile button to check your compiler will show the correct message or not. Look at here at bottom of the screen. Yes, I have missed something over here. Unclose string detail, whatever the mistakes are here, I have forgotten to put the double inverted comma students. Look at here. Now click on compile button once again. One mistake also here students. What are the mistakes? Look at here, not a statement. System.out.print, I have put it a semicolon over here instead of L. Print ln. You need to be correct. You need to be correction students. After compile or after compilation, if you will get some error, definitely you will need to be correction for your output. System.out.print. Now it's okay students. Click on the compile button once again. Look at bottom of the screen, class compile, no syntax error. It means that our program is completely correct students. Now let's see how it will work and what will be the output of this program students. Same as it is like my previous program. Close. Right click over here, void main, okay. I can choose the division operation, press division operator, press enter. What I will write, 125, enter second number 5, result 25.0. Definitely, if you want to do any other operation, need to close this window first. Again, once again, right click over here and choose void main and click OK to continue. And suppose you want to do addition, press addition symbol, press enter. I'm given 255 is the first number and 175 is the second number. 430.0 is my result. Thank you, students. I hope everybody is understood whatever the things I have shown to you, students. And this program is also let you know how switch case statements works inside the Java programming code and what its logic, students. Hope you understood all, and everyone implement this programming code into your Java compiler in your PC, students. Thank you very much, students.